For this video, Tito Claire sent over this really cool set of magnetic blocks. Now these are amazing if your kids love Minecraft, if they love building things and they're tired of using Legos, Duplos, stuff like that. These magnetic cubes are perfect. Now this set right here is really cool. I love how it has like two different sides to it. It has more of like your darker scene here. You have your lava, you have your TNT. The trees are a little bit darker with the red leaves. You have some ghosts and goblins here. You also have a really cool portal that you can make, which my kids love because as soon as they saw that, they thought of Minecraft and they were hooked instantly. But then you also have this side here, which is really pretty. You know, you have your princess, your sheep, your green grass, and your pink flowers. It's a really perfect combination of all the different kind of blocks in one starter pack all together. Now it does come with this really nice booklet here that just has multiple different ideas. It shows you how many blocks you need in order to create which object. And this is really good too because you can go ahead and pick one out with your kid. Even if they are younger, like 3 or 4 years old, you can pick one out with your kid. They can count how many of each block they need and they can see exactly how to put it together. It's really easy to follow. Now from my experience, you are going to want to buy multiple sets, and when you do, you want to make sure that you buy the same size block because different brands come with different size blocks and they don't always line and connect properly. It also comes with a really nice bag too, so when you're done, all the blocks can go in here and it's really easy to put away until next time. So overall, this is a great starter pack. Like I said, especially if your kids love Minecraft, they are going to love these blocks. They're really fun to put together and there's multiple creations that your kids can make. Just let their imaginations go wild. So if you're looking for a really cool set of magnetic blocks, these ones right here are a great option. Thanks for watching.